Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you are using a mouse with your Mac and the scrolling just does not feel right, or you want more control over your mouse buttons and scrolling behavior, there's a really useful free app you should try. It's called LinearMouse. In this video, I will show you what LinearMouse is, how to install it on your Mac, and how to customize your mouse settings. LinearMouse is a lightweight macOS utility designed to give you more control over your mouse and trackpad. It lets you customize things like scrolling direction, scrolling behavior, pointer acceleration, and mouse buttons. It's especially useful if you switch between a MacBook trackpad and a traditional mouse and want each device to behave differently. Now let's know how to install LinearMouse. First, open your browser and search for LinearMouse for Mac and press enter. Now you can see here the official website of LinearMouse. Simply click on the website link. Now you guys will see here the download button. Just simply click on the download button and your download process will start. Click on allow. Here you can see the interface of the app and all the categories here, like profile that keep up. This is the interface. Scrolling your way, you can see here scrolling category, pointer category, buttons category, every setting. Now let's install it. Drag the app to the first desktop. Now let's install the DMG file. Simply double click on the DMG file first. Now you can see here the installer setup. Just simply drag the app to the application folder and that's it. Now close the installation mode. Now you will see here the app. You can see here on the launchpad. Now launch the app. macOS may ask you to allow permissions. Click on open. Now you can see here the interface of the LinearMouse. Okay, on the left side first is pointer. You can see here first checklist box, disable pointer acceleration. If you tick this box, this will disable the pointer acceleration. Now let's come to the second, convert pointer movement to scroll event. If you enable this, this will change your pointer movement to the scroll type of movement. And now you can see here pointer acceleration. From here you can just adjust the pointer acceleration. If you increase it, you can see here that the acceleration will increase, and if you decrease it, it will decrease. And here you can see pointer speed. If you increase it, you can see here your pointer speed. It is moving very fast. You can't control it. So make it a natural. If you lose your setting, your default setting, just simply click on this button, revert to system defaults. This will automatically make your mouse back to the normal. Now let's come to the second category, which is scrolling. From here you can see two categories, vertical and horizontal, two types of scrolling. Let's come to vertical first. If you tick this box, reverse scrolling, this will reverse your scrolling method. Okay. Now you can see here the scrolling mode. It is accelerated. You can switch it to smooth, beta, by lines, by pixel. Just choose it according to your preference. But I suggest you just leave it as by default accelerated because it is the most basic method and basic mode. Now you can see here scrolling acceleration. It is linear, you can adjust it according to your preference. And again, the scrolling speed, slow or fast, just do it according to your need. Now modifier keys, command, default action. Okay, you can give that key a particular action like pinch zoom. If you press command, this will zoom your screen, or alter orientation, change speed, anything. Just give these buttons a task from here. And let's come to the horizontal category. The same thing will apply here, but it is for the horizontal scrolling, not for the vertical. Now let's come to the buttons category. Now you can see here, enable universal back and forward. If you enable it, it will enable universal back and forward. Okay. Now switch primary and secondary button. If you enable it, your primary key will become your secondary key and your secondary button will become your primary key. This will switch between primary and secondary. Now debounce buttons click. If you enable it, it will debounce your button clicks. Okay. Suppress unintended clicks caused by a worn or noisy mouse switch. Now enable auto scroll. It will scroll by moving away from an anchor point, similar to Windows middle click auto scroll. Okay. Now the last, general. Here you can see show in menu bar. If you that it is always enable the app. If you choose always, as you can see here, when I maximize it, you can see here the app icon here, but when I choose never, it is removed. Okay, so this is for the app icon. If you want to show on your menu bar, just choose always. If you want to remove it, just simply take never. Show battery, current battery, it is off. If you want to make it turn on, just choose your battery percentage or always show. Show in dock. As you can see, this app is showing in dock. If you untick this, this will remove from the dock. As you can see, the dot is closed. When I tick this, the dot will again open. The dot means the app is currently in use. Start at login. I will suggest you don't tick it, because whenever you start your Mac, the app will automatically launch. Show pointer location. If you tick this, just press the button, this control, to reveal your pointer location. Bypass events from other application. If enabled, LinearMouse will not modify events sent by other application. Okay. You can see a version check for update automatically. If you want to do your LinearMouse update automatically, just tick this, or otherwise leave it. And that's it. These are the main functions of LinearMouse. If you're coming from Windows and prefer traditional mouse scrolling, LinearMouse can make your Mac feel much more familiar. Okay, so that's how you can use LinearMouse on your Mac to customize your mouse and scrolling experience. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notification for more Mac tutorial. Thank you for watching.